Right, and with a Baxi Potterton Promax 28 Combi ErP, customer complaining of a loud noise, mainly when the heating's on. So I've took the diverter valve motor off, it's pretty hot, suggesting maybe it's been overworking. Let's put a hot tap on. We can see the pin going down. So that's the hot water position. When we turn the hot water off, the pin stays in the hot water position. Let's see what it does with the heating on. The pin comes out, so therefore when it's sat on the cartridge of the diverter valve, it will push down. That seems to be moving freely, suggesting the cartridge is okay. So that's good news, because this is an easy fix. So that's the diverter valve motor. There's the noise there when it's in heating mode. The customer said it has been much louder than that. Let's get it changed. New diverter valve motor on with the clip pushed in. Heating put on. Therefore the pin's going to come out, push down on the pin in the cartridge. No noise. Great news. Let's try the hot water. No noise again. Let's just make sure we're not getting any heat coming down the flow pipe to the radiators. Pipe going off towards the hot taps, nice and hot, and the flow pipe to the radiators, nice and cold. That's what we want to see, so everything's working correctly and the diverter valve isn't passing. That's actually the flow turbine ticking there, got me a little bit worried. But the diverter valve motor all working good.